Hello everyone, JNM second year students, you have to listen carefully. Okay, in this video we are going to discuss one subject, that is the child health nursing, 4th unit, disorders and health problems of a child. Okay, in that one childhood disorder, that is the dog bite. Okay, everyone knows what is the dog. Dog is a one type of animal. Okay, the dog is there along with us in our homes or in our street, okay, in our community. Okay, the nearby animal to the human being or dearest animal to the human being, that is the dog. Okay, the dog is there in the home means the dog is protective our home regarding thieves. Okay, sometimes due to that particular dog will cause some diseases. Okay, once the dog will be there in the home means the dog will give some safetyness, some protection to ours. Okay, sometimes the dog will have some problems or some struggles to by the human being. Okay, that will be react to the human being, that will be cause some diseases to the human being. Okay, means when you are in front of dog, when you are normal means there is no problem. Okay, in front of dog you are doing some overaction means the dog also will do some overaction to yours. Okay, or some hazards will caused by the dog. Okay, dog nothing but as like a mirror. Okay, in front of mirror, how you means you are make or you are having some good appearance in your stand in front of the mirror means your picture will be good. Okay, you are not having any makeup or you are not doing any dressing or grooming, your bad picture you are standing in front of mirror means that will be shows. Means what you are giving to the dog or what love and affection or what is your movement belong dogs means the dog also gives some that one. Okay, what you are giving that will be giving by the dog. Once you are beating dog means the dog also gives some type of bites. Okay, you are not disturbing dogs means the dog also not disturbing to the human beings. Okay, in this dog bite, that is it can be lead some viral diseases. Okay, the dog also will cause some type of viral diseases to the human beings. In this rabies, especially due to the rabies bite or rabies dog. Next, incubation period of dog bite. Okay, what is the incubation period of dog bite? Once the children will be affected by this dog bite means in this incubation period is the 20 to 90 days. Okay, 20 to 90 days is their incubation period of dog bite. Once the dog will bite with the dog having rabies virus in their body means once the dog will bite to the individuals, the rabies virus should be transmitted to the human beings. Okay, from the animal to man, one disease will cause to the human being, for example, that is the dog bite. Okay, next one is the clinical manifestations. What are the clinical manifestations? We are identified once the child will be affected by the dog bite. Means in this dog fever. Okay, this is a common symptom for any disease. Okay, once the child will be suffering with the any disease condition, once the child will feel uncomfortable due to the some diseases means the child having the one common symptom, that is the body temperature should be increased or decreased. Okay, there is no normal body temperature. Okay, the body temperature will be raised who are affected by this dog bite disease. Okay, next one is the headache. Headache also common symptom for the children for every disease condition. Okay, next another one is the fatigue and sore throat. Once the child will be undergone this dog bite, the child shows some symptoms like sore throat and fatigue. Next, some of the mood changes. Okay, there is no activeness in their mentally. Okay, sometimes the child having the vomitings. Okay, the food or the fluid should be complete vomited. Next, another symptom like the child having the anorexia, loss of appetite. The child not having good appetite due to the dog bite. Okay, next one is the child having some pain in their body. Okay, which part? That is the upper extremities or lower extremities. Which part in the body will undergone due to the dog bite? That particular affected part having the severe pain. Okay, sometimes wounds also observed. Next, another one symptom like myalgia. Okay, the child will having the muscle pain. These are the symptoms we are identified whose child undergone the dog bite. Some neurological changes also there for the children. Okay, in that neurological changes, especially these are the major one, that is the hydrophobia, aerophobia, intolerance to noise, bright light and cold. Okay, once the child will be affected by this dog bite disease condition, okay, those child having the pain or fear of water. Once they are observing some water means they are having severe fear. Okay, once they are showing or some touching of water means they are having the fear. Okay, that condition we are called as the hydrophobia. Okay, this is the major symptom we are identified in the children who are undergone this disease condition of dog bite. Next, aerophobia. It is also major symptom or specific symptom regarding dog bite. Okay, in this the symptom is the fear of air. Okay, the air will be there or severe intensity of air is there, forcible air is there in the environment means some children who are affected by this dog bite, those children are having fear. Okay, next intolerance to noise. Okay, they are not tolerate small noise. Okay, any small sounds is there in the home or in the environment, they are not tolerate in that particular sound. Okay, sometimes the child will showing the bright light also intolerant. Okay, once the light or electrical power bright light is there in that particular room or environment, okay, the child will not tolerate for particular bright light. Okay, next severe cold is there. Okay, that cool weather, that cool environment also they are not tolerate who are affected by this disease of dog bite. Okay, these are the neurological changes we are identified in the children who are undergone the dog bite. Next, some of the mental changes also there. Okay, in that mental changes like fear of death. Okay, they are having the death fear. Why? Because the animal, that is the dog, will bite, no? Okay, that's why they are having the one fear. Okay, we are going to die because of the dog will bite, no? Okay, like that the child having the one intensity, that is the fear of death. Next, sometimes the child having the anger and irritability. Okay, they are having the severe irritation. Next, when you are observing the child look like a severe depressive condition. Okay, they are look like a depressive state. Next, paralysis. Which part will be affected by this dog bite? That particular part will be lose the nerve impulses sensation. Okay, there is no proper nerve impulses sensation, there is no movement, there is no involvement of normal activity of a particular part. Next, another one is the sometimes the child will have the coma situation. Okay, due to that the child may be prone to get death. These are the symptoms we are identified whose children will be suffering with the dog bite disease condition. Okay. Next, okay, in this clinical manifestation, common symptoms is there, no, fear, headache, fatigue, sore throat, mood changes, vomiting, anorexia, anxiety, pain, myalgia. Okay, next one is some of the neurological changes, mental changes. Neurological changes like these are the major important symptoms. Okay, hydrophobia, aerophobia, intolerance to noise, bright light and cold. Okay, some of the mental changes also there, fear of death, anger, irritability, depression, paralysis. Okay, these are the symptoms we are identified in the children's. Next one is the diagnosis. Okay, we have discussed what is the diagnosis, how we are identified the child will be suffering with the dog bite means in this the dog bite especially by collecting the history regarding dog bite. Okay, which part is affected by this dog bite, when you are affected, okay, what is the intensity or what is the severity of wound, okay, how many wounds is there, that will be collected history. Next, we are identified some clinical manifestations means depending upon these symptoms we are finalize the child will be suffering with the dog bite or insect bite or snake bite or scorpio bite. Okay, especially these are the symptoms aerophobia, hydrophobia, intolerance of noise. These symptoms we are identified in the children who are affected by this dog bite. Okay, this is the diagnosis of children when the child will be undergone dog bite.